Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Gudetama. I hope I pronounced that correctly. The super cute little lazy egg. Alright, so I'm going to start drawing him with the shape of the body. So I'm going to do a curved shape like this and come on up. And then I'm kind of slanting downward. Next, I'm gonna do like his little hand is gonna be, like his head is gonna be resting on his hand. So we'll have a little arm come up. And then we'll do a little elbow here. And then we'll have the other arm hanging down right here. And now we can do the face. So we'll do kind of like an oval for the mouth. And two little ovals for the eyes. We can color those in dark. And now let's do a leg. And belly. And now let's do the the rest, the like white part. So this can be kind of whatever you want it to be. Maybe it's like really flowy, maybe it's not, maybe it's like kind of looks more like a puddle, like what I'm doing here. Okay, and there we go. So now I'm gonna add some color. All right, so we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Hope you have a wonderful day and hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. All right, everyone, goodbye.